Hey, what's up? This is Ron Palmer. Welcome to my xBesh review. This is, in a nutshell, a simple app where you can just type in simple prompts and it's going to create the actual app for you. Now, I use similar kind of software to develop apps software without actually being a programmer. Now, the difference here is that this software includes all of the different kind of apps or tools that you need to create essentially anything that you want. Now, this is huge. The reason why I'm saying this is because just, I don't know, a couple of years ago, this would be impossible and it would cost you thousands of dollars to accomplish. But now anyone, and I say anyone, can produce high-end software that they can later on sell. From anything from simple stuff to high-end stuff that they can actually sell, that you can sell. And I want to show you something here. This is a software or an app that I'm using, that I'm creating for myself, that I'm going to be selling later on as well. This is another similar tool. This is a simple thing that I'm actually doing here to automate stuff. But what I wanted to show you is something else. So if we go here to JVSU, you're going to see that most of these launches are actually software, and you can see the amount of sales that they are getting. I can tell you these launches can easily generate 100K, 200K, or even more. So, I mean, before this, you would have to have an entire team creating this stuff. And I've created software with developers in the past, and it's a huge headache, okay? You can still have a team, but with this app here, xBesh, you're going to be able to have what cost you thousands of dollars in the past now at a fraction of that price, okay? As you can see here, all of these different products, most of them are apps that are solving specific problems. Essentially, with this app, you can basically just chat with it. And this is something that I am doing on a regular basis, solving specific things, right? Like this app here, okay? Now, this has been created with another app, which is similar. The difference here is that this one has more programming tools to it. But there's no programming, there's no coding to it. It's more known as a no-code kind of app. And that's a cool thing, right? Because you can do tons of different things, and you can see there's templates here. And I'm going to be showing you a little bit more about this in just a moment. But before we dive into the actual product, let me show you the bonuses that I have for you. So you want to grab this before my timer hits 0. You're going to see the details below in the description. And when this timer hits 0, my bonuses are going to expire. Now you can click on any of these buttons here to get access to the sales page. I'm going to be showing you that in just a moment. So the first bonus is, oh, and by the way, you can see a demo video here on my bonus page, which is explaining exactly how they created 3 full micro SaaS apps in under 60 minutes. So you can do a lot of stuff with this. So the first bonus is going to be my profit or the profit pricing mastermind GPT. Now, I've created all of these bonuses to help you get the most out of this product, because once you've created this, what are you going to do next? Well, you could use this for yourself. I do this constantly to automate processes, which is great. But then you want to also make money out of these apps, right? So you want to sell those apps. But how to actually make money? I'm going to be showing you how to price this, and you're going to get access to a GPT for this. Also, in this bonus number 2, $1 million naming machine GPT, which is going to give you the exact names that you can give to your apps that you actually create with xBesh to, convert more visitors into sales. Then we have the bonus number 3, which is the AI Empire Builder GPT. It's another really cool GPT that's going to help you in the process of creating these apps. and also the ultimate pricing strategies, and of course, all the vendor bonuses. If you click on any of these buttons here, you're going to get access to the sales page, and it says your Google Docs full of someday ideas are bleeding you dry. Launch 3 apps before most people finish drafting 1 pitch deck. xBesh is your AI dev assassin. Crushes a tech bottleneck, ships your app, hooks Stripe, and gets you live in under an hour. Execution wins, excuses lose. So you can see more details here on the sales page, but you can see there's different things that you can do with this. You can see the 3 apps that they created under 60 minutes, like this one here, the Koala Invoices, Screenway, which is essentially a recording screen kind of software similar to Loom. So let's see if we can see this here, but essentially this, right? So you can create something like this where you can actually record your screen, or you can sell this as a software, very similar to Loom, which has sold for millions of dollars. And then we have dentist shed, graniform, greenhouse automation, different kind of things, right? But you can see all the details here in your own time. I'm not going to go through all of this, but really, really great stuff in my opinion. Okay. So if we head over here, essentially what you're going to be doing here. Now, I'm not going to be able to create an app here because it's going to take time, but I do have a demo, which I'm going to be showing you in just a moment. And essentially it's a simple thing that I did just to test this out, but you can do a lot of this. So basically it's just about your imagination. But the main feature of this is that you just type in what you want here. So let's say you want an app created, and if you need a little bit of help, you can get ChatGPT to, communicate properly with this. But essentially you just type in, I want this app to do the following. And then you can even talk to it, right? Or you can add images here. That's something that I do when I want to explain something. So I do that. There's different templates that you can use. Now, all of this here might sound a little bit techy, but don't worry, because they have an AI here that explains everything. Okay. You can check that out. But I wanted to show you here, this is a simple app. I'm using the demo version of this, but essentially I wanted to create an app that extracts images from a page. So basically I would add an URL to the app. In this case, this demo is doing something similar. So there's not much more to it. You just have to talk to it like you would talk to a human being. And I know this for a fact because I do this on a regular basis. And then here on the left side, your apps are going to be saved. Okay. And this is the one that I was working on. And it's going to look like this, but you're also going to get a preview of this. And as you can see, this is the actual preview. I'm in demo mode. Essentially, you would just grab a site. I'm going to go for this page here, which is one of the products I'm launching this coming Tuesday, May 13th with Jonah Armstrong, called Auto High Ticket Cloaker. So essentially what I would do, I would grab this here, and then I would go back to the software and I would enter that here. Now, keep in mind, it's not going to extract the actual images from this site right now because this is the demo version. But stick with me, I'm going to be showing you basically what it does, because I did something similar with another app, which only has access, that I use only has access to one kind of feature. And that's the difference. And that's the reason I like this one, because you get access to so much more. But essentially, let's say this was the actual page, right? I would click on extract images and then it would extract the images. This is just a simple thing, right? But let's say, just to give you an example of my idea here. Okay. So I would add the website URL, and I click on extract, and then essentially it would extract the images, right? So I'm automating the process for a website builder here. It might take a little bit of time, so I might show you this in just a moment. Okay, here we go, right? So this is what I was building with another app, but now I can do this with this app right? Just that I right now have the demo version. This is not live yet, okay? So it would do something like this, right? And maybe something, I don't know, like this. That's basically, this is just a simple thing. And this took me literally a couple of minutes to do. I did this yesterday just to show you inside this video how this would look like. But you know, your imagination is a limit. You can do so many things with this. And then you can sell software, simple solutions. You can go to Munchai and you can see all of these different products listed here. You can sell software. You can do a combination of stuff, you know. And the launch that I'm doing with Jono is actually, it's a combination in an info product and apps. This is what you could do with this software. You can toggle on a couple of features here, like, you know, make it look like this. If you want to change the colors, some basic features, right? So there's lots of things that you can do. Now, let us talk about the price or the pricing. The frontend offer is going to cost $67 and you get access to the core AI-powered app builder with unlimited projects and limited done-for-you templates. Includes lifetime access and hosting during launch. So you want to get this during the launch. Now, keep in mind that I know that there is a bundle offer. Once you grab this, you want to check inside when you're grabbing this. Check the bundle offer. There's going to be a bundle offer there, which might save you money. The option number one is the Black upgrade, $97, and you're going to be able to unlock the advanced execution engine for faster, smarter builds and get full access to the entire done-for-you template library. The option number two, the done-for-you command center, $197. You're going to receive 30 done-for-you apps delivered over 3 months, plus editable AI prompts and PLR rights for customizations and rebranding. Pretty cool stuff, actually. The option number three is the agency license, $197. Add commercial rights and a full agency license so you can build and sell SaaS apps directly to clients. And then we have the option number four, reseller license plus training, $497. You get complete reseller rights, done for you funnels and marketing materials, plus exclusive training and mastermind access. So great product in my opinion. I think this is going to change the game for many. So if you grab this, I will go for anything that's unlimited. And the reason for this is because you're going to make a lot of money creating stuff and it's not complicated. I can tell you, you just have to chat, talk to it, and it's going to create this. I'm not a developer myself and I can create simple stuff like this and even more, you know, complicated stuff if you just let, you know, the AI do its thing, okay? So that being said, don't forget you're going to get all of these custom made bonuses made by me. You're not going to find them anywhere else. Okay. This is based on what I do. And I've showed you a little bit about what I've done. Okay. So you can see that this is actually a really good thing. If you take advantage of this, I think you can get killer results right now. You want to take advantage of this. Okay. So that's what I can say. Thank you for watching my xBesh review and I talk to you soon.